friends, just wanted to talk real quickly about new construction and newer developments and flips and some of the things that you should be looking out for when buying these. Now here in Salem, we don't necessarily have a ton of new constructions, though we do have a lot of older homes that have been renovated and flipped. That being said, I'm right here in our sales office for a new construction, Riverwalk in North Salem. This is an image of what you'd be seeing out your windows looking across to downtown should you decide to take the leap and jump into Riverwalk. I digress, of course. I want to talk to you about some of these new constructions, some of the things that you should be looking for, whether it's something brand new, ground up, or something that was rehabbed and then sold on again. Really what you want to do is look at the reputation first of the developer, the flipper, whoever it might be. Is this somebody that has a good reputation, or is this someone where there are a lot of complaints about them after the sale? Now, not all work is going to be done perfectly, and a lot of times in newer homes, they need to be go through that first year to see where there might be some minor things that need to be touched up. That is normal. What you do want to see though in those reviews is when those things happen, does this developer, flipper, contractor, do they come back and fix it? Do they offer a year like builder's warranty? What do they have set up for you for protection in the eventuality that something minor will go wrong? Another thing to really be looking for is the quality of the workmanship and the quality of the products used. Now, unless you are a contractor yourself, you might very well not really know what to look for, which is why you want to use obviously a qualified agent, somebody who you trust, who can take a look, kind of walk you through some of those red flag situations that really would steer you clear of this newer building or this recent redevelopment. So those are just some of the things that we look out for. If you have any questions, if you want me to dive deeper into any one of those topics, feel free to reach out. Beyond that, happy house hunting.